bottom, right? But guess what? It's broken. Funnels are static, linear, and naive. Forget lead counts. Focus on pipeline velocity and conversion quality at every stage, from first touch to the closed deal. Stop obsessing over leads to MQLs. Instead, identify revenue signals, specific buyer actions. Right? The old spray and pray GTM won't cut it. Instead, build adaptive systems that respond to real-time data and buyer feedback. Forget MQLs and SQLs, right? Those categories are obsolete. Instead, qualify leads by revenue potential and engagement signals. Use multi-layered. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you missed episode 1, go binge it now. We exposed why your funnel is a lie and why chasing lead is costing you millions. This series isn't about trivia, it's about rewriting how SaaS marketers actually grow revenue in 2025. Today we are diving into the exact framework top SaaS marketers use to ditch the funnel illusion and build powerful, predictable revenue engines that scale. And these aren't theory or wishful thinking, these are battle-tested systems built on real behavior, buyer behavior, not vanity metrics. We're also trying this directly to the funnel fallacy fix kit. Grab that from the link below if you want to deep dive right now, which is your diagnostic toolkit to spot pipeline leaks before you invest another dollar. So funnels are dead. So what's next? Funnels promised a simple story. Fill it up, nurture, close bottom. Right? So that's your funnel. Yeah, you fill on the top funnel, you nurture the middle, and you close the bottom. Right? But guess what? It's broken. Funnels are static, linear, and naive. The new SaaS elite knows funnels don't move revenue needles. Instead, they build revenue engines, dynamic, adaptive systems that power predictable pipeline and align marketing and sales like a finely tuned machine. And here is the kicker: a revenue engine does not start with leads, it starts with revenue signals and continuous feedback loops. Think about it for a second, right? Think about a car engine. It needs fuels, ignition, compression, and exhaust working in harmony. Your revenue engine needs real buyer signals that predict intent, agile content, and campaigns that respond dynamically. Tight integration between marketing and sales and the data flow, constant experimentation, testing, and iteration. Forget lead counts. Focus on pipeline velocity and conversion quality at every stage, from first touch to the closed deal, right? So what are the 3 pillars, if you will, for the revenue engines, right? I want you to remember these 3 pillars. They will transform how you build your growth systems. The pillar number 1 is signal-centric pipeline management. Stop obsessing over leads to MQLs. Instead, identify revenue signals, specific buyer actions that predict pipeline acceleration. This could be demo requests or product usage bursts, key content downloads, or repeated engagement. The tip is to collaborate weekly with sales to refine these signals, what actually moves the needle for your product. And the mini hack is to create a signal scorecard to prioritize leads with highest revenue potential, ditching the noise. This pillar is deeply covered in the funnel fallacy fix kit, your tactical playbook to measure what truly matters. And you can download that. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Pillar 2, adaptive go-to-market system. Right? The old spray and pray GTM won't cut it. Instead, build adaptive systems that respond to real-time data and buyer feedback. Use account-based marketing with personalized play tuned to signals and behavior. Integrate sales, marketing, and product and delivery teams with the customer success data to a single operational dashboard. Pivot your campaigns rapidly based on what's working and cutting what's not. The SaaS GTM Vault, our second playbook, is packed with frameworks and secret plays from top performing SaaS companies and marketers that you won't find in any blog post. The pillar number 3 is the revenue driven qualification and engagement. Forget MQLs and SQLs, right? Those categories are obsolete. Instead, qualify leads by revenue potential and engagement signals. Use multi-layered qualification combining intent data, behavioral signal, and human insight. Engage leads dynamically, mix automated nurture with hyper-personalized outreach, right? Triggered by signal changes. and align sales and marketing on a common language of revenue qualification. This pillar forms the core of our anti-MQL playbook, your essential guide to killing vanity, lead scoring, and focusing on the revenue ready prospects. Again, the same is shared in the description and the comment section. Now, how revenue engine change your day to day, right? Implementing these pillars transform your entire team and workflow. Weekly sales and marketing sync shift from lead count to signal velocity and deal quality, right? And the second is marketing experiment center on pipeline acceleration and not content consumption or clicks. The third is sales focuses only on hot leads flagged by dynamic scoring, no more chasing ghosts. And your reporting moves from funnel stages to revenue cycle analytics, right? How fast deals close, where they stall, aging, and why. This shift demands mindset change, new KPIs, and a ruthless focus on what moves the revenue needle every day. That brings us to the next section, busting common revenue engine objections. You might be thinking, that sounds complicated. How do we even start? We don't have the tech stack or data maturity yet. Our sales and marketing teams don't trust each other. And here is the truth, right? You don't need perfect data to start. Begin with your best signals today. Build weekly communication routines and grow your engine iteratively. Trust between sales and marketing is built by sharing wins and fixing leaks together, not by finger pointing or working in silos. I have helped companies with zero maturity jumpstart revenue engines in 90 days. It's about process discipline, focus, and bold experimentation. So remember, this 6-week journey to join the tech and SaaS elite who refuse to be fooled by vanity funnels. We are busting myths, fixing leaks, and building revenue machines that with the funnel fallacy fix kit, the SaaS GTM vault, the anti-MQL playbook. If you haven't grabbed the fix kit, link is below. Start diagnosing your leaks right now. Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we'll expose why your GTM strategy is costing you millions. Don't miss it. Binge the series, share with your team, and transform your pipeline. Forget funnels, build a revenue engine that hums, roars, and scales. Join the anti-funnel and let's rewrite your SaaS and tech growth story for 2025 and beyond. Until next time, cheers.